Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are at the Khedive Shrine open house, right? So there's Masons that kind of want to go the Shriner route. We're at their open house today, and the goal here is to get some footage of some of the cool units they have there, because like you join the Shriner and then they got all these other things that you can do there. We're going to check some of that out, possibly get some Meet the Mason interviews, see if we can't run into some of our friends from the lodges, and just have a good time. Some music, some food, and just a bunch of weird and crazy stuff that we'll do our best to explain. But the truth is, to really know, you got to join, right? That's the deal. So let's jump into this and see what we can find out. Let's go.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West, I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning, because something's gonna change my mind. I don't wanna change my mind. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. Send my best friend an apologetic text, he says to come over. Well, the whole damn town has been waiting for the day when you would come back here. There was dancing and talking and steaks on the grill, and I think that I will be alright. And my ex from high school still looks just the same as she did back in 2009. Not gonna wait till the morning, let's never put the night on ice. Never put the night on ice. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. And they all said I was crazy for leaving my money, but it never made me happy alive. Life is just too short to never do what you want to. What do you want to do? Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life.
All right, I think we should end this video since I made it home. Wow, going to the shrine and listening to what people do there, the hospitals they support, all the charitable work, and all the independent bodies that support them. I'm telling you right now, it is truly something unique and special. And I'm always happy to support and kind of be a part of it in my own way. And I kind of hope this video kind of sheds a little light on it. Sorry it's not as long as the other videos that we've done, kind of in this kind of manner, but I got caught up just talking to people, meeting people I haven't seen in a while, getting caught up with friends, brothers, their families, and listening to all the great things that have happened. We also got some more footage of Meet the Mason, and we got a very special guest. I'm going to introduce you all to a legit 33-degree Mason and what that exactly means. So definitely keep your eyes open for that video. Hit that notification bell, and I'll introduce you to him, along with some other friends, and even one that you've probably seen before. This was a very special event for me, and I'm very, very happy about this. This is going to be good, and we got some good videos coming. So definitely, you're going to want to check those out. That's it. don't forget, as always, you don't look down on people unless you're helping them up.